Today I'm going to demonstrate how we crafted a stunning welt for our loafers, ensuring a solid and comfortable sole construction. This is an outtake from my online Loafers course, showcasing how even beginners in shoemaking can achieve professional results. Once we have lasted the loafer, the next important step is sole construction. It's important to achieve a perfectly flat shoe bottom. Why, you ask? Any unevenness on the shoe bottom will be mirrored on the sole, complicating our task of crafting beautiful and comfortable shoe sole. To fill any gaps between the edges, we add a layer of cork. For precision and uniformity across both loafers, we use a pattern for this cork layer. To achieve a smooth surface that we need, we must sand the cork layer together with upper edge. Then we can seamlessly attach the pre-made welt around the entire feather edge. This sole construction technique is perfect for beginners. It guarantees a professional-looking sole with minimal effort, ensuring that even those new to shoemaking can achieve this easily. What is wonderful about this method that it isn't exclusive to loafers. It's versatile and can be applied to many footwear types, expanding your shoemaking repertoire.